In today's video, I will teach you how to select and cut out objects in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and import the image that you would like to edit. Now, on the image layer, make sure that the layer is unlocked before proceeding to the next steps. If the layer is locked, it should have a lock icon at the end of the layer, and to unlock the layer, simply double-click on the lock icon. Once the layer is unlocked, you can now go ahead and remove the background of your image. There are different ways of removing the background of an image in Photoshop. If you have a solid background, you can simply use the Quick Selection tool, which will easily select the areas with the same pattern or color. And to remove the background, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard and press Ctrl D to deselect. Another way of removing the background is by using the Select and Mask option in Photoshop. To do this, go to Select, Subject, and wait for the marching ants outline to appear around the subject. Once the subject is selected, click on the Quick Selection tool, and at the top panel, click on the Select and Mask button. If you zoom into the image, you can see that there are still leftover pixels from the background and the edges are rough. With the Select and Mask, you have the option to smoothen out the edges, adjust the feather radius, apply more contrast to the edges, and shift the edges of the selection, which can expand or contract the image selection, providing you with more control over the leftover pixels from the background of the image. You can also enable Decontaminate Colors if you don't want to expand or contract your selection. This will eliminate the leftover pixels from the background while still retaining the size of your selection. And once you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click OK. And to save the image to your computer, simply go to File, Export, then Export As, or simply press Alt-Shift-Ctrl-W on your keyboard. Now, set the format to PNG and export it to your computer. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.